Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Aloha browser if it's not working on an iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to working network. Next, close the Aloha browser completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the browser and swipe it away to close it completely. Now open the app again and check if it's working. Now update your browser, open the App Store on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now search for Aloha browser and tap update if available. Your versions may stop working properly. Also update your iPhone software. Go to settings, tab general, then software update. Install the update if one is available. If nothing works, delete and reinstall Aloha browser. Press and hold the app, tap remove app, then delete it. Go back to the App Store and install it again. And that's it. These are the easiest way to fix Aloha browser not working on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.